Hey guys, welcome back. So in today's video I will be showing you how you can add resources in ProjectLibre. So let's get straight into it. So click the resource button. You will see it right over here at the top next to the task. Click on it and then you will see in the tool section here under the views resources. Now you can set a names. So I will go shorts. So it will be A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Let's say H, like that. Now you can here select type. You can add email address, material label, initials, groups, max units, standard rate, overtime rate, and so on. Now you can also that you created these resources, you can now go back to Gantt chart. So we will go here to task, and on the left side under the views you will see GNAT, like that. Now click here in the toolbar under the task assign resources. So here you will select resources from the list that you created, and after that you can assign it like that. And that you see here is A. So if I go again and select B, assign, now you see A and B works on that. Ensure that work is chosen for people and material for consumables. Use the resources sheet. The resource sheet acts as your central database for all teams members and materials. And utilize the resources usage report to track the total time and cost for each resource, allowing for people workload leveling. So again, I will show you how you can add exactly how you like these resources to be placed. So right here under DD, let's go and you will select these resources names, then go back here to assign resources and select which one will do that. So let's go with G and assign it. Now it shows up right here and then also right here, as you can see in this Gantt chart. So this is basically it, how you can add resources and use them in ProjectLibre. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next